as we wrap up, Izingane Zasitwengo, we just want to say congratulations to Terelo because finally she got her engagement. If you can see La Payana Lana Kona where she's wearing a red dress, so she has a ring on her finger. Utsukele, no, you know what, Mina, I stood my ground. Ngathi, Mpumelelo, if you're not doing A, B, and C, if you're not acting up accordingly, I'm gonna leave. And guess what? Mpumelelo proposed. So yeah, finally. A very lovely decor, very lovely engagement. The venue, the setup, everything's top notch, honestly, and it's beautiful. So congratulations to Paola. You know, I know some people were saying it's not gonna happen. Some people were saying she's gonna leave. Some people were saying all sorts of things. But guess what? Mpumelelo has asked her, "Will you marry me?" Futhi kanjena lalelani ngiyazi ukuthi esilungwini babhalile bathi bayabhala lapha bathi fully maybe mina I'm gonna ask you just simple questions. Uyangifaka or uyangikhipha?
Noma uyangikhipha,
Hhayi ngiyakufaka.
awuze ngiqabule kahle. Ngiyabonga. Le nto ohleli uyisho ukuthi angikuthandi, into engekho le. Ngiyaku-appreciate kakhulu.
Njengoba silana manje-na-ke, I have faith ukuthi uthando lwethu-ke
Mpumelelo says, what this thing is Tirelo normally says, let's see, Ramtandi, appreciates. So I don't know whether he agrees with her in direction saying no, the love is not there, but the appreciation is there. Or he's saying, I love you and I appreciate you, so I'm there. And there are so many on Udirelo. It's like she's in disbelief or also okay. Or maybe you're doing it for the show because he's been getting pressure. People have been asking questions. People have been saying things like, yeah, or now maybe he doesn't want to look like, a fool really to the people because, as she said, Dorela, she was leaving. So if she had left, she would be a seller. A yeah, Bonaji. So now we asking ourselves whether is it because of that so or land. But yeah, we yet to see. Fans are not very happy, or audience are not very happy because the show has been mainly focusing on Mpumelelo Nabo Mrs. Balki. Has been mainly focusing on that. And people are asking themselves that isn't it as the same was supposed to be made by all the children in the polygamy. I mean, there's Abong where there is Umpilo, there is Usne. We didn't even have much of Usne this season. It was all Omelelo's wives, upcoming wives, all sorts of things. The main, even Umpilo had a lot going on in her mind. I mean, in her life, she graduated, new job, all of those things. But no, we didn't see that. So people are saying, this show was definitely for Umpumelelo Nabantu Bak. Was it? Is it because maybe they were the most, I don't know, interesting ones? Because every time we see Abon was just taking family out, me and my family dinner kind of things. But yeah, okay, as has finally happened, and that is good. Look at the guy Lafayette uthatha isithombe, uthatha video. I know, normally when you ask somebody to marry you, you go on your knee, you ask, will you marry me? But I get, oh, Mpumelelo bayihlalela ey'tulweni nje, baza uyangifaka noma uyangikhipha yini. I guess people do things differently because vele ubani wathi kumele izinto zenzeke kanjani vele. But here we are, and she said yes. Yes, ngiyakufaka. We yet to see what the future unfolds. Yo, wow, really, really been promoted a lot in this season. In the bio, yombekezelo. Nice to see her happy again. See you later, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment below.